What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I want to start off right away by answering one simple question. Who is this smart robot vacuum actually for? So today we're looking at three main important things. First of all, can it actually clean wet messes in one pass instead of just smearing dirt around like your typical dual pad mops? Second of all, does it actually clean edges and baseboards, or does it leave that dusty line that most robots actually leave? And last but definitely not least, how automated is the OMNI robot in real day life usage? So that being said, let's dive right into it and talk about the specifics of this robot. Now you might be wondering what's the exact name of this specific model. This is the ECOVACS T90 Pro OMNI Smart Robot Vacuum. Now it's a bit of a tongue twister, it's a long name, but this is the specific model that I have here today. Now, unlike most smart robot vacuums, this one isn't trying to be expensive for no reason and just have an inflated price tag. It actually has a reasonable price point and offers great value. In my personal opinion, I think it has a perfect price to value ratio. You're not paying too much, but then again you're getting such a really good product that's actually going to get the job done, which is exactly what you want. It's really focused on bringing genuine advanced cleaning and mopping features that a lot of robots tend to not do so well, but ECOVACS has created this specific T90 Pro OMNI robot that's actually really solid and can deliver in multiple situations. Now naturally, on the surface level, yes, it is a robot and it has its main feature, it's the vacuum, but it also features a mopping system that's actually really advanced. The main mopping system at the core of this vacuum is the OZMO Roller 3.0. This is exactly what separates this specific robot from other ones on the market. So the roller itself is a high density microfiber design with enhanced water retention. So essentially what that means is that it holds more water than your typical vacuum, and when it comes to distributing it across the floor and the section that it's mopping, it's going to do it evenly instead of just drying out specific zones and missing spots. It also uses ECOVACS Fresh Flow power washing system, which sprays clean water onto the roller through 32 different spray outlets. Now on top of all of that, the roller actually applies about 10 newtons of downward scrubbing force. So this is going to make sure that it's going to provide a really deep cleaning, and it's not just going to leave the floor wet. Essentially at the base of this mopping system, there is a 27 centimeter long roller. This roller is actually significantly bigger than any other rollers that they had on previous models. It's about 50% bigger. Now what does that actually mean? So essentially when it's going to start the mopping and it started cleaning a surface or an area, because the roller is now significantly larger, it can cover a bigger area, it can cover more within less time. Essentially this is really good because that means that the robot has to do less passes on a region. Because the roller is bigger and it covers a larger area, now it can actually optimize the whole system, making it more efficient. Unlike most robots who have two of these main problems, essentially when it comes to mopping, they're not covering a lot of surfaces and they're not doing an even job. This is where the ECOVAC fixes those two issues. It's gonna make sure that it's actually cleaning the area and not just redistributing some dirty water or leaving empty spots. The cleaning process works as a simple three-step loop. Number one, fresh water wets the roller. Number two, the roller scrubs the floor. And number three, dirty water is scraped off and extracted immediately. Now here on the top, it has a clear water tank, and to the side of that, it has a dirty water tank. Very simple. Once it starts to fill up, you can keep track on both of them.
All right, so kind of shifting gears, I also did want to show you, let's say maybe something happens on the fly, you have a little mess. Then this is how you can use the robot immediately to clean the mess. What you can do here is you can choose to mop this section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do vac and mop. You can zoom in here, make sure you actually choose the area that you want to. And there we go. That's the area that we're going to be choosing. So there we go, that was the cleaning done. See, robot is going back to station, and the floors are absolutely spotless, nice and shiny and glossed up, and everything is gone. The juice, everything from the floor gone.
So we talked about the mopping feature, which is one of its biggest features, yes, but it is also a robot vacuum. So vacuuming is another really important part of this robot. So before the T90 Pro actually starts doing any mopping, it goes through a process of vacuuming areas first. To better explain this, instead of a traditional bent overflow path, Blast uses a straight through airflow design, which reduces resistance and improves suction efficiency. That airflow is paired with a high efficiency motor and a high discharge battery. Now this is essentially allowing the robot to maintain strong and consistent suction throughout the whole time.
So the Blast system is actually really powerful and has a lot of innovative technology. It has a straight through airflow duct design, which is great for most scenarios. It has approximately 30,000 PA maximum suction, which is going to make sure that it's going to cover most areas and rugs and things of that nature. So you're going to have a really clean overall result.
If you pay attention here to the side, you'll see there's a ZeroTangle 4.0 brush design. This is their new system that's actually at the base of the vacuuming process. The main brush uses an airflow directed anti-tangle design, which guides hair toward the center and in the suction path instead of wrapping around the roller. On the sides, the AR Clean dual cluster side brushes work together to pull debris inward while minimizing tangles even with long hair. So this robot is very versatile. Let's say you have a household filled with girls, maybe you have multiple sisters, you know, your mom and stuff like that. This can be a great robot for that, because we all know girls can have a lot of hair that just is all over the house. This is going to make sure that it's actually taking care of all of that. It's vacuuming all of the surfaces, leaving you with a tidy, clean house.
So the vacuum itself does pick up, you know, like anything that has to do with dirt and all those little things. It picks it up easily. It's going to clean the food as well. So maybe like chips or bread or crumbs, stuff like that. It's going to clean it. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so for this example, here we have the crumbs. I'm just going to be dropping them on the floor here, kind of like a little bit spread out so you guys can have a better idea. So now all you have to do, open the app, choose the region in the room. So let's say for me, example here, it's going to clean this area. This is the zone that I need to clean up right now. I have chosen it. I'm going to click start. And the mess has been officially clean. There's nothing left on the floor. All the crumbs are gone and into the robot, and now it's going to do a self-cleaning inside of its station.
I know some of you watching might be wondering, might be thinking to yourself, okay, well, this is great, it's a nice robot and stuff like that, but I have expensive carpets and I don't want the robot to mess up my furniture. Don't worry, it actually has a built-in system. So essentially what's going to happen, it's going to vacuum and mop a certain area, and when it detects an area with the rug, the roller actually goes right back up, and now it's back to doing the vacuum system, and basically that's going to allow you to protect all of your rugs. Now, as we all know, when it comes to dirt and just keeping a place tidy, edges and corners are usually the biggest pain, and they're also some of the harder to reach spots. Using its TruEdge system, the roller can extend about 1.5 centimeters, allowing it to reach much closer to baseboards instead of leaving that dusty line behind. Now, right after the edge cleaning, this is where the PowerBoost comes into play. PowerBoost is ECOVACS's fast charging system that uses GaN-based charging technology and an EV-level pouch battery to significantly reduce downtime. While the robot is docked for mop washing, it can recharge at the same time, adding up to 10% battery in about 3 minutes during the wash cycle. The system also uses adaptive charging. Now, what does that exactly mean? It means it adapts and adjusts to the area size and the cleaning mode. So depending on your house layout, this is going to actually have a smart memory, and it's going to remember that. Now, if you want to actually see real-time updates of this and the battery, you can check it out all in the app. You'll get real-time updates, and you can see battery jumps whenever the robot is fast charging during the wash cycle or anything like that. The mobile app for the ECOVAC robots is actually really in detail. You can control a lot of things in there. You actually can use this in multiple areas of the house. Now, for me specifically, I have it set up here in the basement because this is where I spend a lot of time. I work on my videos, and I actually use my living room here. So my first map layout, if you want to call it, is my basement. I actually have it set up for another area as well in the house, which is the living room and the kitchen upstairs. That's where most of the traffic happens in the house. There's where we're all kind of always rotating through those rooms. So I want to make sure that those two rooms specifically stay clean. So I can use it down here, I can use it upstairs, and I can control all of it through the app, and I can also see the real-time mapping. Another really good feature about this robot is that it has smart AI advanced learning. So it can actually learn the patterns and the moments when you use it most, and it actually will start to auto clean without you having to do anything. So let's say typically you'll use a robot maybe twice a week, once on Mondays and once on Thursdays, and it'll start learning that, and eventually it'll do it it by itself, which is really good. Very nice to see the use of this technology in the modern day. So all in all, that's kind of how the robot works. Very simple, very versatile, but very convenient. You can, like I said, use it from the phone. Everything is remote, which is great. It's super hassle-free. And now I want to talk about the Omni Station, because this is actually one of the major reasons why people would buy the T90 Pro over any other smart robot vacuum on the market. So after each run, the robot comes back to its station by himself automatically, and it'll essentially dock itself here, and it has a cleaning process. So essentially, once it's docked and back in the station, the washing process, it actually will clear the roller and make it clean and just ready for the next use. And now essentially it has a hot air drying system that helps keep the roller from staying damp, which helps reduce that typical wet mop smell over time. Now the dock itself also automatically empties the dustbin, which is great. Like I said, all of these automatic features just combined together create this hassle-free setup. Now let's say you have a busy household and stuff like that, or maybe you have children around the house that are taking naps throughout the day, and you still want to use this. There is a quiet mode that you can actually turn on within the app. It's very efficient, it's very quiet, and it still does the job just as fine, which is kind of impressive. And that's probably one of my favorite features. A lot of times I'll be working or I'll be recording videos, so I can still use it. So really, at the bottom line, all in all, this T90 Pro Omni ECOVACS robot is really fantastic. It's great. It has all of the features that I typically need. Now, to really answer our very first question at the beginning of the video, who is this robot really for? This is the ideal robot for people who just want to have a clean, tidy household throughout the whole year. This is going to allow you to really just keep track of how much you're cleaning the house. It's very hard to stay on track, and cleaning can be very time consuming. This is the perfect solution to anyone who wants to keep their house clean. Now, with that being said, I do want to give a huge thank you to the team over at ECOVACS for sending this my way. So with that being said, if you're interested in one of these, I'll definitely leave it linked in the description down below. You can pick it up, you can check it out for yourselves. It's a really good robot. It's that time of the week. I have to plug this back in and let it clean the basement. But with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one very shortly. Take care.